Welcome and namaste. Dear friends, in today's video we will see beautiful scenic hill station Nainital from Uttarakhand of India. Myself with my friends from Delhi, Sridevi and Ashutosh, we plan to visit Nainital in the month of August 1918. Nainital is located in Kumayuni foothills of outer Himalayas and it is about 330 kilometers away from Delhi. It takes about 7 to 8 hours by road. Journey from Delhi to Nainital was very scenic. It was green and beautiful. After passing Moradabad, we went through nice and beautiful villages. On our way, we saw teakwood plantation and beautiful ghats. Wow, what a mind blowing experience! Mountains, fog, and greenery. Wow! On our way, we stopped over at Udupi Wala, which is South Indian restaurant. We were very surprised to see it in North India. We enjoyed South Indian food and we started our way forward. As we were reaching closer to Nainital, we saw beautiful mountains and clouds falling all over it. It was very serene experience. We felt as if Mother Nature is welcoming us to Nainital. We had booked in Hotel Naini Retreat, which is one of the well-known hotels in Nainital. It was erstwhile summer palace of royal family of Pilbhit, which it is now converted into a hotel. After seeing our room, garden view and view of surrounding area, we were very pleased. It was the right place for us to unwind and recharge. Next day early morning we took a walk inside hotel premises. They have made walkways. Post breakfast we started our sightseeing in Nainital. First place we went was near Naina Peak. It was very good video shooting point, waterfall on the mountain slope, and it was bit adventure, especially for honeymoon couples. It was giving them romantic opportunity to close to their spouses. Look at this pose. It is not less than any Bollywood hero and heroine. From here we went for Himalaya Darshan point. From this point you can see peaks of Himalaya. That day it was bit cloudy, so we could not see icy tips of Himalaya, but it was looking very beautiful. At this point there were many photographers and they were also giving on hire traditional dresses. We have taken a lot of memory pictures. And we also took our pictures in traditional Kumayuni dress. From here we went to Mall Road. Mall Road goes through the core of Nainital town parallel to the lake. This is commercial area. There are number of hotels, cafes, travel agencies, banks, shops and showrooms. This is a lake view. You can see Naini Lake. Looks like it is going to rain. It's thundering too. You can see other end of the lake. There is a Naina Devi temple. Naina Devi temple is one of the 51 Shakti Peeth of Hindu temples. It is believed that when Shiva was carrying Sati's corpse, it was the place where eyes of Sati fell, and then after this lake is formed which has a eye shape. Even in the temple you will see worship idol in the form of Sati's eyes. There are number of scenic points to walk, climb and trek. There is zoo and ropeway nearby. Jim Corbett is also close to Nainital. You can plan 5-6 days trip and cover both the places. We took boat ride. Enjoyed watching ducks. Fresh air, water and mountains around. It was awesome and thundering. If someone would have asked where is heaven, I would have answered it's here. It's here in Nainital, in Lake Naini. You can see eye shape of this lake. We had a great time in Nainital. Hope you too enjoyed watching this video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with new videos. See you soon. Stay tuned. Yours, Desi Pardesi.